Good morning and welcome to my garden. I just want to show you this raised garden bed. I just finished extending the garden hoops to give it some more height, and I put some stakes in here to secure my tomato plants, and I am so pleased. It came out beautiful and it's sturdy. You can see all my tomato, pepper, and jalapeno plants in here, and scallions. They fit perfectly, and I have the netting over it to keep the bugs out for now. And I wanted to just give you a peek at this. I have the little clips that keep the netting in place, and I just take the clips off when I'm ready to pull the netting back. I have the stakes here, and I've secured the hoops to keep them from moving too much since they're so tall. And then I've also staked my tomato plants. My tomato plants were really trying to lay on the ground, but it looks so much better now, and it's much sturdier. This plant actually split in half, but it's recovered, and the other half is in a pot, and I'm just waiting for the roots to grow on that. I have some parsley and my bell peppers along this side. Some more parsley further back. Some eggplants along this side and peppers. Look how good that looks. I wish I had done this a long time ago, years ago, but every year is a learning experience. You try different things and make different improvements. My tomato plants, I'm going to come down here. They have a lot of blooms and some tomatoes. You can see there. Maybe this is something you could try if you haven't tried it already. It's about to rain here in Zone 7B where I am, so I'm really happy that I got this done. Thank you for joining me here in the garden, and good luck with your garden.